The clock is ticking, and those who lag behind run the risk of becoming obsolete. Today's demanding workflows require the power to handle resource-straining augmented reality, machine learning, and compute-hungry content creation tools. The new HP Z8 Fury G5 Workstation desktop PC contains a powerful single-socket Intel Xeon W9 processor and NVIDIA Ada GPU architecture, designed to help creatives and technical professionals tackle these complex and demanding workflows better than ever before. To see how much more users could achieve with the new Intel Xeon processor-powered HP Z8 Fury G5, we pitted it against both its predecessor and the world's first AMD Threadripper PRO workstation, the Lenovo ThinkStation P620 with NVIDIA Ampere GPU. In our performance comparisons, we found that the HP Z8 Fury G5 workstation outperformed the competition in 3D computer animation, modeling, simulation, and rendering benchmarks. This jump forward can be a boon for anyone trying to complete complex 3D modeling tasks faster. Plus, a workstation that enables much faster renders while also processing significantly more samples per minute opens the door to speeding delivery times. We also looked at how multiple different machine learning models ran on each workstation, because AI is the future, and it's already here. 3D-UNet focuses on medical imaging. RNN and BERT process human language in the form of text or voice, and ResNet identifies objects and people in images and videos. When we tested the HP Z8 Fury G5 in these 4 machine learning scenarios, it trounced its predecessor and competitor. Our test results show that the Z8 Fury G5 workstation can give medical professionals an advantage, help with and improve audio transcriptions, offer more capacity to understand language nuances, and was significantly better equipped to detect and classify images than both the G4 and the Lenovo ThinkStation P620. For companies with an eye to the future, as well as all of us living in the AI present, this kind of computational power is more important than ever. Our results show that the new HP Z8 Fury G5 workstation, enabled by the Intel Xeon W9 processor, could be just the investment you need to handle your demanding workstation needs today and tomorrow.